Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes.
Good afternoon, respected jury members and peers. I am Dr. Lata, Public Relation Officer, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation. Today, my first presentation is about Sarige Sanjeevani, Mobile Fever Clinic Bus. First, I'll brief about Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation. Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation is pioneer and leader in public road transport in India, connecting 7 states in southern part of India with a fleet strength of 8,800 and dedicated staff of 39,165 bus stations, cover 29 lakh kilometers every day and carrying 30 lakh passengers every day. KSRTC has various bus fleet, that is, we have branded as Ambari Dream Class, Ambari Airavat Club Class, Airavat, Rajahamsa, Karnataka Sarige, etc. Details of the innovation Sarige Sanjeevani. This initiative is to ensure sufficient availability of basic medical facilities to contain the spread of coronavirus. These buses acting as a mobile fever clinic with swab test sample collection facility can be utilized to collect samples directly from residential areas, both in districts and rural areas, avoiding the public and patients to visit the hospitals. The KSRTC has initiated mobile fever clinic buses at Bangalore, Mysore, Mandya, Tumkur, Mangalore, Havgere, Ramnagara and Kolar. The inside of the bus, if you see, the bus is restructured to have 4 zones with beds, doctor, consultation area, nursing area, swab collection booth with maintaining proper hygiene conditions. The facilities provided in the bus include a bed, seating facility, medicine box, wash basin, leg operated sanitizer, soap oil, separate water facility, fan and other required arrangements among the others. The mobile clinic buses are developed at the KSRTC workshop itself. 12 such mobile fever clinic buses have been fabricated in-house by the technical team of KSRTC with our own skill and expertise by the technicians of our workshop. Since the testing has been mandatory by state government and the number of tests are conducted in large scale to contain the spread of diseases, more demand is there from district administration for KSRTC to convert and provide the mobile buses. One of the bus is being given to Bangalore Police Commissioner Office to test policemen who are at risk of catching infection. Police department is planning to use the mobile bus effectively. If the patient is found positive after the swab analysis, he or she will be moved to a corona quarantine center or hospital or home isolation for further case. This vehicle can be used like mobile cum ambulance to cover more patient. The temperature, BP, glucose test will also be done at free of cost. This is the inside of the bus. You can see in the picture. Mobile health checkup camps. Each mobile fever clinic can conduct 300 tests or consultation per day. Private agencies also hired KSRTC mobile clinic bus and conducted swab testing across several residential areas and apartment complexes. The project has been designed keeping in the mind the requirements of district administration and health department. The initiative can be easily rolled out by other corporations and state transport undertakings. KSRTC plans to roll out more and more buses in other districts based on our initiative. Northwest Karnataka Transport Corporation, Northeast Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation have followed the same. Initiative is established using existing bus, with the project executed with input from professional advice, fabrication using in-house expertise. District administrations have shown interest in replicating the project at their respective location. Publics are the major beneficiaries of the project apart from district administration and health department. The mobile clinic idea is to help citizens to get their regular checkups done without having to visit the nearest hospital, where they may be at risk of getting infected by the coronavirus. As already mentioned, these are the facilities inside the buses. That's it, sir. This is our mobile fever clinic bus fabricated by KSRTC, sir. As you are aware that during the April, May and June, COVID was in peak. So many people and public are very hesitant to go to hospital and check the COVID. So this initiative has made them a real blessing in disguise that they can come directly to the bus. The buses are in moving condition. They can go to apartment, they can go to residential areas, and we have parked these buses in this one police commissioner office and transport corporation. So this is very easy for the public to come and get tested the COVID test, sir. And moreover, those days, that is April, May and June, COVID cases were more, and people also very scared to go to hospital and get it checked. If these facilities, this is like KSRTC always in the forefront to introduce many initiatives. During COVID-19, our buses also in not running. So we thought, why we can't use this as a blessing, and we can do our scrap buses are mostly these running condition buses. We can convert these into mobile fever clinic. Almost in our state, around 40 buses, these type of buses are running, and now, sir, at present.
Okay. Madam, good initiative. Am I audible? Am I here?
Sir?
Am I
Yes,
audible,
sir.
please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Okay, okay. Good initiative.
Thank you.
Tell me how many tests have been done so far?
Sir, almost 1 lakh, sir.
1 lakh. In how
Yes,
much
sir.
period?
Sir, from 3 months, sir. 3.5 months, sir.
3 months. Okay. Now, what is the,
Yes, sir.
how much, I mean, who bears the cost? And
Sir, for converting, sir, for converting bus into mobile fever clinic, it will be around 50,000, sir. If it is
Okay.
included swab test, it is 75,000, sir.
75, but who is meeting the operating cost also, no? You must be having
Sir,
a
we are,
doctor
sir.
or technician.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what, sir. Yeah, sir. We are coordinated with the district administration, sir. The district administration is providing doctor, nurse, and other facilities. We are providing buses, and other NGOs and other institutions also are hiring the buses, sir. Per day, they are paying 5,000 rupees cost, sir.
Any charges for the test, or are they free?
No, sir. It is free of cost, sir.
Free of cost. But you know,
Yes,
to
sir.
KSRTC, there is a cost, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So who is meeting that cost? You, company as such is meeting, corporation as such is meeting?
Sir, first bus we have implemented because we are also a Karnataka, we are also a government organization. We have some corporate social responsibility towards the society. We have to do something to the society during this pandemic, because everywhere, all the organization or the institution, even public, are facing this much of difficulty. We can't see that how much we are earning or how much we are paying. So we thought, okay, as a corporate social responsibility, we will do it one bus. Afterwards, sir, we are giving for hiring purposes. NGOs are coming forward to taking these buses as hiring basis, and they are paying every day 5,000 rupees as a rent, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
It's okay. Nothing from my side.
Okay, we can switch over to the next one.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. They have another 2 projects. Ma'am, you can start other project.
Another one also I can start?
Yes.
Okay.
Swachhata hi seva. क्या है?